Growing tomato plants could be very easy, if you are planting them in a right season and fertilizing them regularly. Therefore in this video, I am going to show you an amazing liquid fertilizer for tomato plants. This liquid fertilizer is very easy to make and gives your tomato plants a healthier boost. Just after the sprouting of tomato seeds, plant requires variety of nutrients that enhance their growth and health. Adding an organic fertilizer in tomato plants' soil makes them strong. At the seedling and flowering stage, tomato plants requires energy to perform well. Therefore liquid fertilizer is extremely important for tomatoes, especially at flowering stage. It is easy to make because all the ingredients must be frequently available around you. This liquid fertilizer can applied on all types of tomato plants. It have a nice combination of NPK and many of the micronutrients. For making this liquid fertilizer, first of all we need a liter of water in a bottle. Tomato plants commonly shows a rotted base that is mostly due to the deficiency of calcium and magnesium. In this liquid fertilizer I have included a calcium source that is our first ingredient, eggshells. Eggshell enhance the immunity of tomato plants and fulfills the calcium requirements in an organic form. The next ingredient that is very important because it enforces new buds on tomatoes. In the alkaline type of soil, flowering plants doesn't produces lots of flowers. Therefore I have added a tablespoon of dried tea waste that makes the soil slightly acidic. This thing makes the soil very suitable for flowering of tomato plants. The next ingredient that provides lots of nutrients to the fruit to get bigger and bigger. I am using a handful of compost that is a rich source of multiple nutrients. They are required in a small amount but their roles are extremely important. Tomato plants works very perfectly if you are using these type of organic ingredients. For making compost using the kitchen wastes, you can check out a video in the description and I button. Now let's move to our next ingredient, that is mustard cake powder. It is rich source of potassium and phosphorus that are essential for a healthy and massive flowering. You can buy mustard cake from the description box link. Last ingredient in our list is banana peels that have phosphorus. And phosphorus makes the root system of the tomato plants stronger and stronger. A stronger root system is very much helpful throughout the fruiting of tomato plants. After filling all of these ingredients into the water bottle, let it in shade for few days. I have also made an article on making the best liquid fertilizer for tomatoes, that is added in the description and on my website 𝑘𝙼𝙪𝙧𝙨. The process of fermentation will be done within 5 days. Now the color of the liquid has changed, that means it is ready to apply. Before applying this fertilizer, dig the upper layer of soil, and also make sure the soil is dry. This liquid fertilizer is a factory of nutrients that can burn the roots, therefore we have to dilute it with more water. Add about 3 parts of water and 1 part of this liquid fertilizer into a bottle or container. Now you can add this liquid fertilizer into the soil of tomato plants. Best time to apply this diluted liquid is in the evening. At that time the temperature is cooler, and the fertilizer have the whole night to get absorbed into the roots. Add about 100 ml of this liquid in every 10 inches of a pot. For smaller seedlings, add only a smaller amount of this liquid. Small amount for smaller pots and large amount for larger pots. Hope you get the point. This fertilizer works perfect for tomato plants and seedlings. You can repeat this process every 10 to 15 days for a healthier growth and blooming. Lastly, let me tell you, the liquid fertilizer gives you instant results within some days. But I also have a slow release fertilizer for tomatoes, for that you can check out this detailed video here. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon to get notified.